So as a manufacturer, there's a lot of change in our world. Do you find that you're struggling to keep up with that? You're maybe growing and you want to grow even more. You're trying to figure out how to do this while keeping up and beating your competition, but still really making sure that you hang on to who you are as an organization. You've got loads of orders coming in, but you're struggling to keep the right inventory at the right time in the warehouse so you can get production done in a timely manner and meet your clients' delivery expectations. Then you go back and look and the profit isn't what you expected it to be. So your costing just doesn't feel right. So this is happening because you're just struggling to keep up with the process, right? You're trying to make sure you're meeting your customers' needs, but maybe you don't have all the tools and business processes in place. Instead of having a look at that to make sure where can we find some new efficiencies and make things better. So how we can help with this is we're going to come in and first understand your business, understand your current process flows, and then we're going to bring our years of experience and our work with other clients and say, hey, have you thought about this? There is a better way to accomplish this. Sometimes that means you might need some software. And we specialize in an ERP package called Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. It is built for the small to mid-sized manufacturer and distributor, and that will help tune your processes, make sure you're as efficient as possible, make sure your users are getting as much done as they can with the right tools, and that at the end of the day, your growth is supported. You can grow further, faster, while still making sure you're maintaining your profit. Manufacturers, distributors, that's all we do. We find that we're able to share things that maybe you haven't seen before, or maybe you didn't even think of, and that helps take your business even a step further. So what we commonly see from our clients is a super fast return on investment for their consulting and implementation dollars, a stronger control over their costs. They understand where their costs are going so they can be more effective at driving those costs down. And when you drive down costs, you increase profitability. So I started my career falling in love with manufacturing. I love seeing how things get built. I love the process. I used to joke, I'm kind of an interior designer for manufacturing because I want to make sure the flow is right. And that's what we bring to you. It's more than just helping you with software features and functions and being able to print an invoice or cut a check or pay your vendors. It is really about making sure you have the tools to get business done in the most efficient way possible. If any of this sounds familiar or you'd just like to hear a little bit more from me, please don't hesitate to reach out. There's nothing better in my life than to talk manufacturing, so give us a call.